Hello everyone. In the last module we learned about the laboratory method of preparing hydrogen. Let's learn the industrial methods. Now in industries, when you need large quantities of hydrogen gas, you can't do that simple, that all those things. It will become very complicated. It will be like a game, horrible game, which will be time consuming. We don't want that. Therefore, we have industrial methods. That is the first method is the Bosch process. Bosch process means step 1 is when the carbon, which is white hot coke, is reacted with water, which will give you at 1000 degrees Celsius. This reaction is taken, which we can give you carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is done in a specially designed converter. Step 2 is when this carbon monoxide and hydrogen is reacted with water at 450 degrees Celsius with the catalyst FeO3, Fe2O3 and promoter chromic oxide, which will give you carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Step 3 is when the separation of this carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is done. Carbon monoxide kahan se aaya? This carbon monoxide which was there, it did not completely get removed. Thoda sa it was there. So that is carbon monoxide. So this, now what can be done is you can just dissolve the CO2 plus H2 in water which is at pressure of 30 atmosphere, or you can pass it through caustic potash solution which can give you K2CO3 and H2O and H. Or you can also do removal of the carbon monoxide through CuCl solution you can pass. So it can give you CuCl plus CuCl dot Cu dot H2O and hydrogen will be separated. Then next industrial method is electrolysis. Electrolysis of acidified water you can do, which like 2H2 you can pass through electric current which will give you H2 and O2, or you can you can do electrolysis of brine. Brine will give you purer hydrogen than this. You can see the diagram which shows actually electrolysis. Then you have the industrial method of obtaining hydrogen from natural gas and CaH2. The natural gas or the methane which you take, methane is reacted with water with catalyst nickel at 800 degrees Celsius, which can give you carbon monoxide and 3H2 hydrogen. Then CH2 is reacted with water. This is another method. CH2 is reacted with water, giving you COH twice plus H2. Again, this is one of the other method. So with this, we have completed the chapter hydrogen. I hope you must have understood about the chapter. Thank you.